this file, we've got sales in different countries by different salespeople, quantity and revenue. So we want to do subtotal, sales by country, and then sort on the revenue for each country. So let's see how that works. So if I want sales by country, I've got to sort on country first. So I go data, sort. So we'll go by country, A to Z. So I've got all the Bangladeshes, all the Brazils, etc. Okay, now let's try subtotals. We'll do quantity and revenue, but sort on revenue. So we know data, under outline, subtotals, each change in country, we will do quantity and we will do revenue. So we go to number 2 here. Now, cool thing here, take a look. Okay, so we've got Bangladesh first. It's alphabetical, you'll see. And that's how it is now. Okay, so we'll widen this on revenue. So if I go here and I go data, we can go sort Z to A. Okay, so it put China on top, which is really, really cool because that's got the highest revenue. Okay, now if I click on number 3 here, look, it's got all the China stuff on top. Okay, in other words, it rearranged everything to put China on top in the original data to match the subtotals that basically that were sorted on revenue from China being the country with the most revenue to Egypt with the lowest revenue, which is really, really cool.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.